Beautiful people, let's install our fourth tool, which is basically Waymore URLs. So we have so many alternatives, like there is webback, archives, and so many. But remember, Waymore is all in one. It is one man army. It will fetch you all the URLs, all the endpoints from the internet regarding your target. Okay, so you just need to type way more just GitHub. After that, way more GitHub, and after that just go to the first directory and scroll it a bit. Now here is the thing, the main thing is you can literally just I'll recommend you uh, okay, so install a more default global Python environment. Just copy this, and after copying it, no, here is the thing is, we have to document everything. So to document everything, I'll go to my home, Kali, and desktop, and here I will create a directory. Okay, and I will create a directory. I'll name it automation. Let's call it automation. You can see I'll go inside it, cd automation. No, I'll perform all my work here. Okay, it is a kind of workstation directory for me, so I'll paste the command here, and what it will do, it will basically clone that entire directory for me, about you can call it, yeah, about Waymore. So seems like it have just done. Okay, so they just told me, hey, please, it is not recommended. Way more, I think it worked for us. It has been installed for us. We do not need to provide anything extra. Sometime they will clone the directory, so you will need to execute this manually, but they have updated to the next level. That's cool. Now we can execute way more directly like the rest of the commands. We do not need to provide anything extra. Okay, like no path. So we have just done with the way more, and now let's install httpx. So I think I have to create a separate video for each tool. So guys, you can enroll for my cybersecurity premium bootcamp. Master the art of cybersecurity in one course. It have everything that you need, each and everything. So it is officially available at masoodsec.com. You can just simply visit the masoodsec.com, and then you can just simply come to the course area, and in the course area you will find my course. So you can just simply look for it. Okay, so if you want it, let me know. Just contact with me. I'm going to enroll you for this course. So yeah, it have everything. So you can just click on WhatsApp. You will be directly redirected to my WhatsApp number, or even though you can contact me on LinkedIn or Facebook if you want it.